What a day in the markets. Today, we witnessed an absolute textbook breakdown in SPY that led to a massive 775% gain by the final hour. If you were trading 0DTE put options today, you could have stacked incredible profits. Now, days like this don't happen every single session, but the beauty of day trading SPY options is that opportunities to double your money happens every single day. Let's break it all down. Right out of the gate, the market showed weakness. We saw SPY reject pre-market support and flush downward, setting up a textbook put entry. If you caught that move and grabbed a 0DTE put option, you were looking at a 100% gain within the first 30 minutes. That means if you started with $500, you had $1,000 in your account within half an hour. But the move wasn't over. Selling pressure continued, with volume confirming the breakdown, and that same put option doubled again within 90 minutes. That's a 200% gain. At this point, disciplined traders had already secured solid profits, but the patient ones were about to be rewarded even more. After such a strong morning move, the market took a breather. SPY chopped sideways, trapping impatient traders. This is a crucial moment. Knowing when not to trade is just as important as knowing when to strike. The key here is patience. Then came the second opportunity. SPY broke down again, crushing another key support level. That same put option, which had already doubled twice, shot up another 200% within an hour, pushing total gains to 400%. This is why traders who manage risk and hold a portion of their position can see exponential returns on high momentum days. And then the grand finale. The downtrend continued into the final hour of trading, and that same 0DTE put option skyrocketed to an insane 775% gain. That means a $500 position turned into nearly $4,400 in a single day. These days don't happen every session, but when they do, they're life-changing. Now, let's be real. Days like today are rare. But the fact is, every trading session presents opportunities to double your money. The key is having a strategy, managing risk, and knowing when to take profits. If you want daily alerts and real-time trading breakdowns, make sure to subscribe and check out the link in the description. Let's keep crushing the markets. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a trade setup. And for the ultimate edge, head over to the Day Trading SPY Options newsletter. Link in the description and comment section to subscribe for daily trade alerts 3 times a day, every trading day. Let's stay ahead of the market together.